film you just so you can, you know, sue me later.
Yeah.
Right, off you go. Walk over there, big beast. That's it. And walk up there. That's it. Just be careful with yourself. That's it. And then drop back and hang. Yeah? And try and let your hands come down and just hang there. 1 minute, okay? Well, you might want to stay there long. Does it feel nice?
It's not bad.
You've been in better positions. I'm sure you've probably had worse, actually. You've been tortured a couple of times, haven't you? Now, what was it we were going to do? Now let's kick fuck out of him. There we go. You can get him now. Are you taking weight off the floor?
No, because I'm slipping.
What do you mean you're slipping? Now he's telling us. You're not slipping. Or maybe he is slightly on this right foot. Is it your right foot that's slipping?
Yeah, but I'm not keep up to it.
I don't think you're gonna come off.
Probably just stretching fucking...
You think so?
Yeah. Heavy guy, man.
You've done over a minute so far. Is it ticklish, do you think? God, I'm a twat. Now, all the things I wanted to say to you, PJ, but I never...
It's so fucking big when you stood up.
yeah, you look a lot smaller upside down, mate. He's getting taller. Look, it's worked. This was your idea.